Welcome to the PFD Performance YouTube channel. Pretty friggin' deadly.
All right, so this is my 98 Cherokee Sport with maybe just a little bit of weight reduction. Yeah, it'll be fine. Just don't look at it too close. But yeah, I picked this up for working up on the crappy lease road, so I didn't beat up the dually, and so far it's been pretty good. So today's task is to do a quick oil change, maybe check some of the front end parts just to make sure they're still happy now that we've got these 32s on, and yeah, go from there. So I'll set up a time lapse and hopefully it goes smooth. All right, let's just do a little quick tour under here. So you can see this rocker is gone, which is pretty common, which leads up into the fender, which I think is also pretty common. Whoops, guess I didn't clean it so good last winter. And this fender's got some ventilation, but you know, if you just cut it at that body line, makes more room for tires. And we swing around back here. Nothing fancy. Still got the factory gas tank, no gas tank skid plate. This fender also ventilated, maybe more than the other. Oh, this side's a little cleaner. Ooh, nice hole. Oh, that drain hole's still working. This rocker also gone. Floor pan's been rebuilt. Yep, right there too. But honestly, it runs good. Kid had a short throw shifter in it, so she shifts nice. 4x4 works good. It's got the old turkey shooter outside. It's a little loud, but maybe I'm just getting old. It's got about 260K on the old semi-indestructible 4-liter. 3.5-inch lift, I think, with the steering stabilizer, Bilstein shocks all the way around, upgraded sway bar end links. That the tire might rub just a schnitz, but that just kind of polishes them. But yeah, that's it. So the oil's drained. Looks like it's easier to get the oil filter from the top side, so I'd say we're just about done. Get you set up for another time lapse.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, well, something a little interesting today. Yesterday, had the Jeep out, putting it to work, and noticed a few drippies underneath, and a bit of a driveline vibration that didn't used to be there. I mean, I've been bouncing this thing down some pretty crappy roads, so why don't I show you what I found and what we're up against today before I make a, I think, 3-hour drive back to where I'm staying. Had to grab a hotel room out here tonight just so I didn't back while it was extra screwed up. So if we poke our head under here, we can see where the fluid was leaking. It had fluid at least. It's a fair amount. So I was like, yeah, you know what? 3.5-inch lift, bouncing on all these roads. Maybe it's just hard on that output shaft seal. It's a common thing, you know. And then I came back here and noticed, yeah, I think I know what caused the seal to. Oh yeah, let's turn that. Yeah, perfect. I think I know what was hard on that seal. So, we're gonna go to Napa, pick up a U-joint, and maybe attempt a parking lot U-joint swap. I'll let you know how it goes. All right, well, we're at Princess Auto. Napa was across the street, super convenient. So we've got our supplies, picked up a hammer, and we're gonna get after it. I'll see if I can set you up a little bit so you can watch. Hopefully this is easy. Hopefully our bolts aren't stuck. This is a nice quick job. Alright, so as you can see, not great, but she's been grumpy for a while, and we got some rust up in here, and yeah, she's worn. So this has probably been an issue for a while, and maybe I should have paid more attention, but we're gonna try and get these clips out, pound her out, and get her new one in. All right, well, it wasn't without a fight. We busted one of the clips, but was able to get this one out and then piece the other one out. And then the old 32-ounce ball peen and the old 1/2-inch bolt is adrift. She's out. So, time for a new one, and we'll get her back in. All right, well, after a short break, we've got the correct non-greasable brute force version, so we can get this thing put back together. So I'll get that thrown in and give you guys an update. Man, am I glad I parked across the street from the Napa. All right, new U-joint is in. It's a little bit of a fight to get her seated and get the clips popped in, but we got her. Now to put her back in, and we should be good to go. I'll also check the fluid in the transfer case since so much leaked out, and top her up and see if a bunch more leaks out, or if the seal shot because the U-joint was toast. All right, I'll finish this up and let you know. All right, new U-joint's in, Threw a little blue Loctite on her to make sure the straps don't come off. Put some new straps on just because Maisel. And then I got backup straps if something bad ever happens. I'm pretty sure this output shaft seal is toast. And I didn't realize it's a giant Allen key instead of socket. So yeah, we're just gonna say that there's still fluid in the transfer case and hope for the best. So I'm going to go for a drive and get back to work, and hopefully this fixes most of the issue and we'll deal with the fluid when we got more supplies. Maybe I'll see if one of the mechanics on the project can help me out with an Allen key, and we'll jam some fluid in and see where we get. Well, that's it. And Jeep repair saga. Wish me luck. Alright, so PFD performance tip of the day. If you have good U-joints, you don't have vibrations. Nice and smooth now. Probably the smoothest it's ever been. Fella sometimes just thinks like the big 32s with the knobbies causes a little bit of a vibration, but no, it's probably part of your U-joint not working the way it should. So we're fixed. I'm sure we're gonna have some stuff to do because of the vibration and driving on the highway. We'll have to cross our fingers on that transfer case output shaft seal. We'll try and get some fluid in her at some point. We'll have to listen for any other noises. And yeah, send it. Alright, well, that kind of concludes today's impromptu parking lot repair. Hope you all enjoyed it. And yeah, we'll catch you soon.
Thanks for staying with us to the end. Hope you enjoyed seeing the new car on the channel and our little impromptu fix. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. We respond to all our comments, so drop one if you have anything to say. As always, stay deadly.